Oh wow, excuse the bags under my eyes. Hey friends, my name is Aimee Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I've had a lot of requests for this video, which you guys, it's such a compliment, but it's going to be an updated hair care routine. Every time I film one of these, I get so paranoid because like if you're filming a hair care routine, you need to be having a good hair day. No one wants to take hair advice from someone with frizzy hair. And I'm just like, ooh. Anyway, a lot of you have been complimenting my hair recently, which I love, thank you. People are asking, what do I do? Like, do I have any tips for growing hair longer or making it shinier or all those kinds of things? And the answer is yes. Look, I take my hair care very seriously. I take my hair very seriously. Does that make me a sad person? I don't care. And I'm really set on my current routine in terms of like the methods that I use to, you know, deal with my hair and keep it healthy so it can grow longer and stronger, and also the products that I use, which I think I've got a good selection of now that I'm really sold on. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. If you are new, why not take a second to subscribe to this lovely channel? Go ahead, turn on the notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and let's do this thing. So first I'm going to talk about some of the methods that I use to take care of my hair and just keep it in the best condition that I can. Number one, stop using heat. Everybody hates that one. Everybody, when they hear that, they're like, oh, again. There's a reason people recommend this over and over again, and it's because it's true. I was that person. I was addicted to my straighteners. I was addicted to my curling wand. I mean, I would straighten my hair to just sit in the house and see no one. But honestly, I don't even blow dry my hair anymore. So what I do, and I've done this for years, and I really think it has transformed the health of my hair and also just makes my day-to-day life a lot easier, is that I do overnight curls. So I've got a few really old tutorials on different variations of overnight curls. Right now I am loving the like dressing gown. Have you seen it? It's on TikTok. Wait, okay, hang on. If you haven't seen this, maybe you're not, you know, spending all day on TikTok like I am, but you take the string from your dressing gown and you put it over your head like this, and basically you take sections and then you loop the front section this way and then take a section from the back and loop it that way. This is a very messy tutorial. And you keep going, you keep adding sections from the front, from the back, you loop it all the way down, tie it with a scrunchie, and then when you wake up in the morning, I mean, I just woke up like an hour ago and ta-da, here's my hair. So the point is, just because you are not using heat doesn't mean your hair has to be unstyled or a mess. Although my hair is usually unstyled and a mess, but that's just because I'm lazy. If you are going to be using heat, then 100% use a heat protection spray. I don't have one to recommend to you guys because I'm not loving the one that I have right now, but yeah, would never consider putting anything hot near my hair without a heat protection spray. The next thing that I think has really transformed my hair within the last 6 months is that I've stopped washing it as often. I used to wash my hair every other day and it was so greasy. Like second day hair for me, it was already greasy. Kept hearing people recommending, oh, just wash your hair once or twice a week, it'll be so much healthier. And I'm sitting there thinking, what? But I've trained my hair now and I wash it once every 4 days and it's fine. The 4th day, it's a greasy day, and that's when you'll see me with my hair like scraped up in a bun. You can see it's not its best, but I just throw it up and get on with my life. And I think giving my hair that break between washes has made a huge difference. One thing I do recommend as well is that because I'm going longer between washes, I am shampooing my hair once, rinsing it, and then shampooing it a second time, because, you know, it is a little bit more build-up in there. There is more greasiness and whatever, more product in there, and so I just find that washing it twice gives me the best results. I also recommend one of these little doodahs. I got this in a set from Amazon. I'll try and find it and link it down below, but it's a scalp exfoliator. Friends, look, there's a lot of junk that you don't need on Amazon, but this thing I swear by. The first time I shampoo my hair, get a bit of a lather going, and then I just use this and like, I'm not going to do it, my hair's going to get so frizzy, but just like scrape it all in to get rid of all of the product buildup of like hairspray and stuff, all the dead skin cells, all the grease, all the grime. I mean, scalps get dirty. So I honestly would not be without one of these now. I love it. Next, let's talk a little bit about the products that I've been using that I am in love with. For my shampoo, you guys know that for years I was a huge advocate for the Lush Jason and the Argan Oil Solid Shampoo Bar, and I still love that. But recently I've been using this, I think it's called the Rice Cake. I'm gonna link everything in the description box anyway, so you'll find it there. But this thing, I think this has given my hair shine, and I know my hair is still not super shiny, but my hair has never had any hint of shine before using this. It's so nourishing, it smells divine, and I just love it. My conditioner situation is, well, some would say excessive. So what I guess I'd call my regular conditioner is the American Cream Conditioning Bar from Lush. I've been using this for a long time and I really love it. But if you saw one of my recent empties videos, you will have seen that my heart was stolen by another conditioner. This is the Lush Power Conditioner. At first I bought, I don't think I have it here still, but I bought the small size tub, and now I've sized up because I loved it so much. Hands down, this is the best conditioner I have ever used. It just made my hair feel so glossy, so wonderful, just so beautiful. I felt like a Disney princess, but it's really expensive. I mean, for someone with as much hair as I have, I need to use a lot of product, which is why for me the solid shampoo and conditioner bars work so well, because they just last and last and last, whereas a liquid shampoo or conditioner, I get through it just so quickly and it's not cost effective. So my solution is this: alternate. But I don't just alternate between these two. Oh no, I make it way more complicated. I bring in a third conditioning option, which is my Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin, the Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Look, I've been talking about this for years. I recently became an affiliate, which I'm very excited about because, hello, I love this stuff. It's my favorite hair product ever. And it also means if you guys buy through my link and use my code Becca, then you get 10% off, which is great for everyone. But yeah, this is not a conditioner, it's a conditioning treatment. So the situation is you would wash your hair with shampoo, towel dry it, put this in. I like to leave it in for about an hour, maybe more sometimes, depends on, you know, what I'm doing. Then come back, rinse it out, and it is like a new head of hair, people. It's insane. I'm going to insert a clip somewhere, maybe here, so you can see the before and after of me using this, and I just love it. So what I like to do is, over the course of 2 weeks, because I wash my hair, say, twice a week, I'll use this one, then this one, then this one again, and then this one. So I'm using this one once a week and then using each of these once a fortnight, right? Is it unnecessarily complicated? Yes, but this is what brings me the best hair results of my life. This is it. As for other products I use in my hair, I use a hair oil, I use a serum thing, but I'm not gonna recommend them to you because they're just average. I'm not gonna recommend something to you that I don't love. The only thing I would recommend are these Paul Mitchell Smoothing Gloss Drops. I've been using these for probably about 15 years. And on a day like today where my hair was looking a little bit frizzy, you just take like this. You can't, it's tiny. Rub it in your hands, really less is more. And then it brings the shine, it brings the cool definition. Look at that. It's a transformation. Oof. Yeah. Okay, so hair everywhere now. That was pretty extensive. Sorry if this video got kind of long, but I wanted to share all of my favorite tips and all of my favorite products with you. This is a subject that I am very passionate about. Oh, one extra thing that I didn't mention is make sure that you go and get regular trims. Look, I hate it. I understand if you don't want to go to the hairdressers. Every time I get hair cut off, it's like, you know, at the end of Rapunzel, when he cuts off her hair and she loses all her power, that's how I feel. Every time I get a trim, I feel like I've lost some of my soul. Is that melodramatic? But yeah, once those ends start to split, they will just keep traveling up your hair and making it worse and worse, frizzier and frizzier. So you gotta just bite the bullet, go, even if it's once every like couple months, and just get the smallest little ends taken off, and that way it can stay healthy. Okay, and now I'm really done with sharing my tips and advice. So thank you to everyone who requested this video. I really appreciate it because firstly, love getting video requests. Secondly, love when people say that my hair looks nice. Thanks. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any hair care tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section because I am always looking for more. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much and I will see you soon. Bye guys.